Winning the scrapping wars through Paris with the big school bus from Dave.
64 school bus going for scrap. That's how you make money.
She's a little tall.
And that's how you work for 20 minutes and make $1,000
Wow,
a day.
it just cleared that stoplight. That is fucking ridiculous.
Hear that dirt Dodge just fucking spooling?
How much in a day there, Justin?
$1,000 a day.
$1,000 a day.
We worked for about
an hour.
Sunshine State plate, buddy.
Got to give Duck Dynasty there a cut for using his tractor. Give Donny $100 or so. Maybe a bit more, I don't know how that goes. Management take care of all that.
I'll have to put fuel in the chocolate shed too.
Wow. I'm surprised how easy that musty bus went on that trailer. Justin was steering the 6'4" bus.
Oh yeah, hear that bus?
Wow.
Rumbling.
Right through Paris. I hope we make this bridge up here.
Drop it off at Dave's work.
Hear that truck screaming? I hope Donnie's making this bridge. Holy shit. Slow down, Justin.
Holy fuck!
Yeah, slow down, Justin.
Wow, that's close, buddy!
Yep.
That's like a foot to the fucking bridge, bud. Wow.
Wow, there's the old shop.
That thing almost took that fucking bridge out.
Right onto
He even
us.
lined it up in the middle too, eh? He's like, holy fuck.
Yeah, I bet you he was saying if she's hitting, we're going. Have to call fucking, what's that towing company off TV?
Wow.
Wow, what are we doing? Scott needs fries.
Coffee.
Wow, getting coffees with that fucking cocksucking load? I don't think so.
Check that.
Wow, what's Donnie doing? He's really going for coffee.
Trimming the trees over there, bud.
Wow.
6'4" tree trimmer.
6'4" bus. Wow, we gotta get Scott on videotape for YouTube. Jesus Christ. Uh-oh, we got issues, boys. Duck Dynasty's all over it. Let's go see what Duck Dynasty has orders to give now.
Wow, that thing looks like a foot away from that bridge.
Yeah.
You got any money?
No, I don't have any money.
You lying sack of
I
shit.
don't have any. I just had to give it back to mom.
Ha ha ha!
Here, Zach, you go get that.
Zach, I'm recording for fucking Shipping Wars. Scott, you're gonna be on Shipping Wars.
You want a large double?
Yeah, make sure you give me a old-fashioned glaze.
Old-fashioned glaze? Yeah, I gotta get your cup.
I'll come with you, Jess.
What do you want?
I want a tea. 1 cream, 2 milk.
Alright, let's do it. 1 cream, 2 milk.
1 cream, 2 milk. Duck Dynasty Shipping Wars to be continued in 10. What's that, Scott? Well, will do.
Hey, look, we got another bus.
Wow, there is another bus. Somebody's fucking fry wagon. Is it a Chev? Holy fuck.